Spiced tuna fish cakes. This amazingly scrumptious recipe has been running in our family for more than 30 years. Let's make these absolutely delicious tuna fish cakes. Or, in other words, tuna fish cutlets. Bismillah. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna fish 5 ounces, 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes, ½ teaspoon of freshly crushed garlic, ½ teaspoon of freshly crushed ginger, handful of chopped mint leaves, fresh or dried, 3 or 4 chopped green chilies, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, handful of chopped cilantro, 1 small-sized chopped red onion, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon tajin powder. You can alter this with citric acid or lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed peppers, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. You can always adjust salt and hot spices according to your taste preference. Drain all the water from tuna fish can. Add tuna fish to mixing bowl. Add all the ingredients. Mix till all the ingredients and potatoes mashed and combined together. You can make these cakes by using hands or by using ice cream scoop or patties maker. Make these flat cakes into about a 3-inch round disc and about 1/2 inch thick. You will be able to make 8 to 10 fish cakes out of this recipe. For shallow frying, add about 6 tablespoons of oil to a frying pan. You can always use less oil according to your preference. Turn on the heat on medium to low flame. Take 2 whisked eggs. Dip both sides of these tuna fish cakes in whisked eggs. Carefully slide it into heated oil. Repeat the same process. Fry till nicely golden. Flip and fry from other side. Take out these fried tuna fish cakes on a paper towel to absorb the oil. Serve hot with your choice of condiments. Enjoy! If you like this recipe or if you have any questions regarding this recipe, kindly hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.